morning. I am Umer Rubab, class teacher of Playgroup, and today I am here to give you lecture of subject English. And today our topic is storytelling. I hope you like to hear stories, so I am here to tell you a story. And the name of story is Goldilocks and Three Bears. Goldilocks and Three Bears. I hope you will enjoy this story. Let's start our story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She went for a walk in the forest. एक दफ़ा का जिक्र है कि एक लड़की थी छोटी सी जिसका नाम था गोल्डीलॉक्स. वो जंगल में सैर करने के लिए गई. Pretty soon she came upon a house. She knocked and when no one answered, she walked right in. तो जब वो वॉक करने के लिए गई, सैर करने के लिए गई, तो वहाँ उसने एक प्यारा सा घर देखा. वहाँ जाकर उसने घर पे दरवाजे पे दस्तक दी, मगर किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl. This porridge is too hot, she exclaimed. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. This porridge is too cold, she said. So she tasted the last bowl of porridge. Ah, this porridge is just right, she said happily and she ate it all up. So, जब वो घर के अंदर गई तो उसने वहाँ पर 3 दलिये के प्याले देखे. जब उसने पहला टेस्ट किया तो उसे बहुत गर्म लगा. जब उसने दूसरा टेस्ट किया तो उसे ठंडा लगा. पर जब उसने तीसरा टेस्ट किया तो वो उसको बिल्कुल ठीक लगा. तो वो खुश हो गई और उसने वो सारा दलिया पॉरेज खा लिया. After she had eaten the 3 bears breakfast, she decided she was feeling a little tired. So she walked into the living room where she saw 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest. This chair is too big, she exclaimed. So she sat in the second chair. This chair is too big too, she whined. So she tried the last and smallest chair. Ah, this chair is just right, she sighed. But just as she settled down into the chair to rest, it broke into pieces. तो दलिया खाने के बाद उसने सोचा कि मैं बहुत थक चुकी हूँ, तो उसने सोचा कि मैं कुछ आराम कर लूँ. तो वहाँ पर 3 कुर्सियाँ थी. जब वो पहली कुर्सी पर बैठी तो उसने कहा ये तो बहुत बड़ी है. जब वो दूसरी पर बैठी तो वो उसे कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगी. जब वो तीसरी पर बैठी तो उसने कहा हाँ ये तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. मगर जब वो उस तीसरी चेयर पर बैठी तो वो उसके लिए छोटी थी और वो टूट गई. Goldilocks was very tired by this time. She went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down in the first bed, but it was too hard. Then she lay in the second bed, but it was too soft. Then she lay down in the third bed, and it was just right. Goldilocks fell asleep. फिर उसे लगा कि मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ और बैठने की कोई जगह भी नहीं है, क्योंकि जिस चेयर पर वो बैठी थी वो तो टूट गई थी. तो वो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़कर ऊपर वाली मंजिल पर चली गई. वहाँ जाकर वो पहले बेड पर लेट गई, मगर पहला बेड उसे अच्छा नहीं लगा, वो थोड़ा सख्त था. जब दूसरे पर लेटी तो वो भी उसे अच्छा नहीं लगा, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा नरम था. और फिर जब वो तीसरे पर लेटी तो उसने अपने आप को बहुत आरामदेह महसूस किया, तो वो उस पर लेट कर सो गई. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came. Someone's been eating my porridge, growled the papa bear. Someone's been eating my porridge, said the mama bear. Someone's been eating my porridge and they ate it all up, cried the baby bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, growled the papa bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair, said the mama bear. Someone's been sitting in my chair and they have broken it to pieces, cried the baby bear. They decided to look around some more, and when they got upstairs to the bedroom, Papa Bear growled, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed." "Someone's been sleeping in my bed too," said the Mama Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there," exclaimed the baby bear. तो जब 3 भालू अपने घर पहुँचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि हमारा नाश्ते के तीनों प्याले, पापा बियर ने कहा कि किसी ने मेरे प्याले से दलिया खाया है. मामा बियर ने कहा किसी ने मेरे प्याले से भी खाया है. बेबी बियर ने कहा मेरा तो सारा दलिया खा गए हैं. तो जब वो चेयर्स की तरफ आए, कुर्सियों की तरफ आए, तो पापा बियर ने कहा मुझे लगता है कोई मेरी कुर्सी पर बैठा था. तो मामा बियर ने कहा मुझे लगता है मेरी कुर्सी पर भी कोई बैठा था. तो बेबी बियर ने कहा मेरी कुर्सी तो बिल्कुल टुकड़ों में टूट चुकी है. तो फिर उन्होंने कहा हम और देखते हैं क्या नुकसान हुआ है. फिर वो ऊपर गए तो पापा बेयर ने कहा कि मेरा बेड देखकर लगता है कोई यहाँ सोया था. मामा बेयर ने कहा कोई मेरे बेड पे भी सोया था. और बेबी बियर ने कहा कि मेरे बेड पे तो कोई अभी तक सो रहा है, अब देखिए आगे क्या होता है. Someone's been sleeping in my bed and she's still there, exclaimed the baby bear. Just then, Goldilocks woke up. She saw 3 bears. She screamed, "Help!" And she jumped up and ran out of the room. Goldilocks ran down the stairs, opened the door and ran away into the forest. She never returned to the home of the 3 bears. जब तीनों भालू ये बातें कर रहे थे तो गोल्डीलॉक्स की आंख खुल गई, वो जाग गई. उसने तीनों बियर्स को देखा और वो चिल्ला पड़ी, चीख पड़ी और उसे बहुत डर लगा और वो एकदम से भाग गई. वो भागी और जंगल से निकलकर अपने घर वापस चली गई. तो इस कहानी से बच्चों हमने क्या सीखा? व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी, गोल्डीलॉक्स एंड 3 बियर्स. द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज we need to respect the privacy of others. We need to respect the privacy of others. If we go somewhere to someone's house, we must take their permission before entering to their house. Or if we want something or if we want to take something from their house, we must ask their permission. Don't disturb any other person's privacy without asking them. So I hope you like the story, and let's now move towards the second part of our lecture. And first part of our lecture is storytelling and the second part is sensorial activity. Here I am going to do a sensorial activity in front of you, and the name of the sensorial activity is holding of spoon. Holding of spoon. Now I am going to tell you how to hold a spoon. The purpose of this activity is to improve your fine motor skills and to improve your hand and eye coordination, and it's also helpful in pencil grip, in holding of pencil. So let's move toward the activity. Okay, let's start our sensorial activity. I'm going to tell you how to hold the spoon, and as I have already told you the purpose of this activity, the purpose of this activity is to improve your pencil holding or your pencil grip and to improve your hand and eye coordination. Okay, how you have to hold it? You have to use your index finger, your middle finger and your thumb to hold the spoon. And how you have to hold it? Hold it like this. Your thumb will be on the top of the spoon and your 2 fingers on the other side, on the bottom of the spoon, like this. On upper side is your thumb and on lower side is your 2 fingers. You have to hold it like that. I'll do it again. With your 3 fingers you have to hold it like this. On upper side your thumb and on lower side your 2 finger, index and middle finger. You have to hold it like this. I hope you enjoyed the story, students, and also you learn how to hold the spoon. That's all for today. Thank you so much.